It can be sunny, and then 30 minutes later, it will start snowing. So first we wake up, and it is a bit cold. How would we describe this? I could say that it's a bit chilly. This means that it's a little cold. Not very cold, just a little cold. Autumn mornings are often chilly. In chilly weather, you might want a light jacket, but you won't need a heavy coat or a scarf or anything like that. But what if it's very cold? You could say that it's freezing. You might say that you can see your breath. Freezing means that it is very cold. Not just chilly, but very cold. Antarctica is freezing. Northern Canada in winter is freezing. To see your breath means that you can literally see the air when you breathe on it. Usually, if you can see your breath, it is freezing. If the weather is so freezing that you can see your breath, you probably will need to bundle up. Bundle up means to wear layers of clothes to keep yourself warm. When the weather is freezing, you need to bundle up. On freezing mornings, it can be very, very difficult to get out of bed. But let's imagine that we get up because we have to go to work. So we leave the house and it's drizzling at the moment. Drizzling means that it is raining lightly. It's not heavy. Drizzle is so light that it can look like mist. We can also say that it is only spitting. Spitting is even lighter than drizzling. It means that a few raindrops are falling, but it isn't really raining. Before it rains, it might start spitting and then get heavier. Then, suddenly, the heavens open. This means that it starts raining heavily. How else could I describe it if it is raining a lot? I could say that it is chucking it down. This means that it is raining a lot. It is really heavy. It is the type of rain that people find it difficult to drive in or walk in. As I am walking to work, my clothes are getting soaked. This means that my clothes are very wet because of the rain. Luckily, I brought my umbrella today. So, we get to work only a little damp from the rain thanks to the umbrella. Damp means that something is slightly wet. My clothes are a little wet because of the rain. And from my window, I can see that it's very overcast and dark overhead. To say that it is overcast means that the clouds are covering the sky. You cannot see the sun. When it is dark overhead, you are saying that the clouds are very black. Most likely, this is because it is raining or going to rain soon. So, it is dark overhead and overcast. You think there's going to be a storm. You could say that there is a storm brewing. This means that you think a storm will start very soon. You're sure there's going to be a storm. You can see it in the sky. And then you see lightning. Lightning is a large electric flash of light. And after the lightning, you hear thunder. Thunder is the noise that you hear caused by lightning. Usually you will hear thunder. We have learned that Britain's weather is very changeable, and hopefully if we have learned how to describe the weather in more detail using phrases and expressions. Thanks very much.